So here we have the Seat Leon on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space. First of all, as we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car there, 89,707, above which we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. There are other menus available as well. So navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back to where we started, and that's all done with the buttons over here. We have our stereo controls on the stalk just here. We have cruise control, which you can turn on and off and set using the buttons on the end of that stalk, and then into the center, the main touch screen. So we're on the main menu. You can, as you can see, use the touch screen or access the same options with the physical buttons. So of course we have radio in this car. Up in the top left hand corner you can select band, and there you'll see DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. And again, top left-hand corner, this time for source. And you can see the different ways you can listen to your own music. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls, as well as streaming your music wirelessly as well. And pairing your phone is easy. Hit the phone button, then hit find telephone, and follow the instructions on screen from there. And then you can come back out to the main screen. We have satellite navigation. As you can see, you can get traffic info. We have a car menu, which will tell you if the car is low on fuel, for example, which it is. And you have a tyre pressure loss indicator. So it'll let you know if you have a flat tyre, essentially. And then back around to the main menu again. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see that we've got a visual guide to the car's front and rear parking sensors. Working our way down, we have our dual zone climate control. Firstly, above that, you can turn off the parking sensors if you wish to. We have our hazard warning lights. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. You can change the driving setup of the car from eco to normal, sport or individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings shown on screen now. We then have our dual zone climate control. So we can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature, fan speed, and direction the air is being distributed in. Air conditioning is off at the moment. That button turns it on, and it's on, of course, when that red light shows. Same button will turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We have a USB input, auxiliary input, and some storage, the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then 2 cup holders. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.